like every beauty guru has this mirror, but no one talks about it. Like no one makes a video on, is it worth it? Like, are they still using it? Do you actually do your makeup in front of it? What's the lighting like? The cost, the shipping, the ordering, dealing with the company. No one talks about that stuff. So I'm here today to inform you because, girl, I got you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Larissa. Hey girl, hey. And please get comfy, stay a while, join the family. Today's video is going to be on the First Impressions Vanity Mirror that I just purchased and this ring light that I got off of Amazon. I wanted to share my thoughts on the video. This is going to be kind of like an unboxing, first impressions, and review on this mirror and my ring light that I have on me right now. I want you guys to see exactly how we unboxed it, how me and my boyfriend Elvis put this thing together. It was so easy, so quick. It was just honestly the mirror, the base, and then the bulbs. Super easy. You guys, let's just watch. All right, so here we are trying to take this mirror out of the box. It's a pretty big mirror, guys. I think across it's 32 inches and in height it's 25 inches if I'm not mistaken. So Elvis is just placing it on the bed. That way the mirror could have a soft surface to rest on while he takes off all of the packaging. And look how much packaging this mirror brought. I mean, that's the reason why it came cross-country safe and sound. Zero cracks. So I'm just giving him a hand with the baseboard, trying to actually attach it to the mirror. There are 4 screws that go into it, and he's just taking care of that while I hold up the mirror. I mean, this is a pretty heavy mirror. I think it's about 60 pounds. So it's definitely recommended to do with another person. So once you have that baseboard on and secure, you're just gonna place it on your dresser, pop in those light bulbs, and test it out. So these are the clear, warm white bulbs. I think I just butchered that, but they're so beautiful. They're very antique, even though I don't love the color they project. I'll be swapping them out soon. So I did notice that 2 of the bulbs actually did not work. I tried twice, but they did not light up, but that's okay. So here's the dimmer and the on and off switch. And on the other side, you have the 2 cords and then your 2 USB ports. So this mirror is done by the company Impressions Vanity. So you can find it in their website. And I promise, girl, I got you down below in the description box. You'll find the exact link to their website. They're having a 70% off right now. And I think it's just for like the entire month of December, like for their holiday sales. But if by some reason the mirror that you want is no longer available, I highly recommend to wait. So this mirror is the Hollywood Glow Plus Vanity Mirror, and it comes in white, black, which is what I have, chrome, which is like a silvery chrome. Did I say white? Black, white, chrome, pink, and gold. And then you have the options of 3 bulbs. So I actually got the clear warm bulbs. They're kind of like a whitish warm. That's what the description says. I feel like the light is just strictly warm on the face. So with this bulb, this is actually the basic bulb. So this bulb, you don't have to pay any extra money. It's kind of like just the basic one that comes with the mirror, but then you have the option of upgrading to the other 2. I believe one is like an LED frosted bulb where you can't see the inside of the light bulb. And then the other option is just clear, same thing, but it's LED, excuse me, an LED, a white bulb. The reason I decided to go with the basic one, even though it's a warm light, which is not really good for makeup, is because I've kept hearing a lot that the other 2 bulbs, you have to replace them because there's just kind of like this loud humming buzz sound in the mirror from the actual bulbs that people find really annoying. I kept reading about it. I kept seeing it in their different video reviews. That being said, when I did install all the bulbs, I did realize that 2 of mine were broken. It's not a big deal to me because, like I said, I'm gonna end up replacing them. I'm just gonna go to Lowe's and I'm going to take, because I actually kept one of the boxes. So I'll just take this and just try to find something similar, because I really do like the look of the see-through where it kind of looks like, I don't know, like very antique. The mirror comes with 12 bulbs, and all 12 bulbs, like you saw in the video, were packaged with my mirror, and the packaging was so amazing. My box actually didn't have a hole in it, but I think it's just maybe a way that they were carrying it in with the FedEx, or yeah, with FedEx, or maybe just the way it was packaged with another box on top. But it was not a deal breaker. There was a lot of foam, a lot of cushion in the box, so I was pretty pleased with the packaging itself from Impressions Vanity. I've already been using this mirror for maybe, I want to say 2 weeks now, and I really wanted to wait before I posted this video because I wanted to give you guys my most honest review. And after using it for 2 weeks, I will say keeping warm bulbs is definitely a big no-no. It's not going to give you a very accurate light when you're applying your makeup, and versus an LED would really give you that. So I would definitely recommend this mirror. I think it was such a great purchase. The delivery process, the shipping process, everything was just so smooth. It is a lot of money being spent on a mirror, but when you have a good company like this where the craftsmanship is great, the quality is good, the customer service is good, I think it's totally worth it, especially if you can wait and again wait and catch a sale. Then I totally would recommend this. So if you have the opportunity to gift this to someone, or to ask for it as a Christmas gift, or just buy it yourself, because we're independent over here, totally go for it. This is a good size. I thought it was going to be too big. Elvis was scared that it was going to be too big and like overwhelmingly big for our room, but I think he likes it now and he's used to it. Yeah, so let's move on to the ring light. My birthday and Christmas definitely came early in my house. I was so excited to finally have received this package. This ring light, I've had my eyes on it at least for the last 2 months, especially with me wanting to put out better content on my YouTube channel. I definitely needed to invest into some good lighting, so it was about time. So here I am just opening it. Pretty soon I call for help, but I'm just taking everything out. I wanted to try to keep the video pretty organized, so just showing you everything that came in the box and then trying to assemble it. So it is pretty cool that the actual ring light came in this little case, because if I ever need to travel with it for some reason, I could just put it in the case and it would be easy to travel with. So it's also great for if you're a freelance makeup artist, you need this. So everything here is just going to go on pretty quick. It is pretty self-explanatory. The pieces are easy to maneuver and adjust. I'm just messing with the tripod now, trying to stand it up and get this thing built. So here I am just trying to add the second piece to the tripod, and pretty soon I call for help because I just much rather have Elvis be the one building it and then me behind the camera. That way I know I'm capturing good angles and really capturing everything for you guys as best as I can. So here he's just trying to put on the orange cover that projects the warm light, just so that you guys can kind of see what it looks like. And it does snap on to the ring light like a puzzle piece, so you just have to see what piece connects to what. So just quickly going to show it on this painting that we have on the wall, just so you can see how warm the painting looks, and then pretty soon you'll see it when it's just without the cover. So I think this is one of the best part about this ring light is this little cell phone holder. It's kind of hard to open, but it's really good because it's definitely very secure and your phone won't fall out. You also have the option of just taking that part off and mounting on a camera if you needed to. But yeah, this is the ring light. It is so cool. I love it so much. And here it is lighting up this same painting, but without the orange cover. This ring light is the perfect size. It's 18 inches and it's from the brand Newer. I found it on Amazon. It came with 2 covers that you can put on, as you see in the video. So I was in the market for a ring light that was really not going to break my pockets, but I still wanted something that was going to be sturdy and something that was going to be reliable and last me for a long time. And I love that this ring light came with its own tripod because it's very sturdy. It's very adjustable, the height, the way the ring light can bend forward or backwards, because you can actually put the ring light so that it's facing completely down, projecting the light downward. So like if you're maybe making a cooking video or you want to take the best food pics, if you're a big foodie and you're always cooking at home, that's great for that. Or if you're, I don't know, like painting your nails and want to put out a video, you have that perfect light shining onto to the bottom surface. So it's great. It comes with a really long extension cord. I have this ring light right now plugged all the way on the other side of my room, and then I just have it here. So I had this ring light product in my Amazon checkout basket for a very long time, and I saw that the price was fluctuating and it was just weird. So I kind of waited it out, and I noticed that it was going from either $99 for everything that I have included up to $150, I believe, for the same thing. So I guess it was just different days, different prices. So I waited until I saw that $99 price, and then I bought. So please wait. If I do link it down below and you see that it's up for, again, for like $140, I promise you I did not lie. Wait it out, keep it in your checkout basket, and I promise you the price will drop again. So the assembly process for this was pretty easy. I was reading in the description boxes for it and like the reviews that customers were leaving. They were saying that the one bad thing about the ring light was that it did not come with an instruction manual. I don't know if that's true for everybody, but I got lucky. Mine actually did come with an instruction manual. We really didn't use it except when I was trying to figure out the actual legs of the tripod because they were flipped upward, and I just couldn't figure out how to flip them down until I saw the instruction manual, and I saw it was just easy. You honestly just had to force it and they would turn downward. One person by themselves could actually do it. It was quite easy. Nothing is heavy. The ring light itself isn't heavy either. So you really don't need a second person, but for the sake of what I was trying to do, I was trying to film for you guys, I did use Elvis. I want to show you guys really quick. I know you saw them in the video with the painting that we had on the wall, but I want to show you guys with me, my face, my makeup, how this lighting kind of works and the difference that it makes. So I do believe that it's on its highest right now. Let me just find the plug. Okay. So yes, it's on its highest, and I'm slowly dimming it. Okay. Now there we go. And this is completely off. So it's a big difference. My room right now has one window with the curtains open, and I have another lamp here, but it is still extremely dark. As you can see, you can't even see any of my makeup. You can't see any of my features as clear as before. So now I'll just turn it on slowly. So even this is kind of like the lowest setting. It's still pretty good if I was this up close to it, but I kind of prefer when it's very bright. And then, ooh. Okay, that's as bright. I don't think I was this bright. Let me turn it down just a little. All right, guys, I hope that this video is really informative and that it was very convincing. I know that when I was trying to purchase the Impressions Vanity Mirror, or when I first laid my eyes on it like 5-6 years ago, I couldn't really find a lot of good videos on it. Until next time, guys, but before you leave, don't you forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you're alerted every time I post up a new video. Bye.